have talked about genre writing. Remember that? I hope that you went home and review as well, because first of all, we are going to review genre writing, different types of writing first. Review our genre writing. This is the first thing. And then we will move on to talk about what? Postcard. Okay, we will talk about postcards. After that, we will also talk about how to write an English paragraph. At the end, I will also teach you how to register for the website, how to make friends with foreigners. So we got 4 things to do. Okay, ready to go? So Jesse, do you remember what is genre? What is genre? Let's review together. And Alvin, I know you didn't come to class yesterday, so that's fine. You can still with us, okay? And then I will let you take the notes after class. Genre writing, everyone. What is genre? So, it's a type of text. Remember that? Actually, it's a reading. And we read the different articles. You take the text all the time. And here you can see we got what? 7 types. Recount, narrative, procedural, report, explanation, argument, and discussion. And yesterday I asked you to go home to review, right? So we got several practice here. Recount something in the past. You want to talk about the event again. Then narrative. This is usually have something you want the reader to know, right? You should say no to your friends if you have something more important to do. After that, procedural. This is the easiest one, right? And teach someone to do something. Other types, report. How to make your scheme become better. And then explain something, why something happened, why we have 16 Taiwanese Aboriginal people. Okay, argument, when you want to convince someone to do something. Or there's a hot topic, wear a mask. Is it good to wear a mask now? That's the article we talk about. There's also discussion. So here that practice that we practiced yesterday, this one. How about this one? A strange new language. What do you think? Which type it is? They talk about influencer. Hashtag. Go viral. Did you remember the article that you read? Okay, so which type it is? What do you think? Sorry? Louder, come on, don't be shy. And then you, okay, let me give you something you really need. If you get it right, you can lose 1 group. Sounds good, okay? So, think about it. Which type it is? Sorry? Raise your hand if you want to answer. Okay, Axel, yeah, you do need that. Report. That's a good one. So, Casper, do you agree? No, then what do you think? Hard to decide, right? Actually, because let's review a little bit, because it's personal. Is it personal? No. It's more like a factual, right? So report. Actually, report and also explain those words. So, Axel, I think you are right. Because it can, contain both. So it can be a report. It can also explain. So you get that. Good. Axel, good for you. I know you are happy about that. I will give 1 point for that. And how about the last one? Let's do the last practice. This team, let's join the fight. This one should be easier. They have the date. They have the rules. They have the price. Fantasy Fight, April competition. Did you remember that? The article. They say that, okay, you want to join the team, you can fight with others, the competition. And they ask you, here are the information you need when you need to sign up. And the rules, and the price. So which one? Still hard to decide? Let's go to this together. Is it recount? No. Is it narrative? No. Is it procedural? No. Is it report? Yeah. Yeah. Report. Because we talk about this. Report. When you report something, you tell others. Right? Here. Report. To inform about a topic. So they tell you about when the game is going to happen. Get it? So it's also report. Okay. I think you have a roughly idea about genre. And what we are going to do today, first of all, let me give you the worksheet first. We will move on to the second one, postcard. Jessie, can you come and help me? Each of you will get one. A piece of paper, thank you. Okay, write down your name first. Oh, thank you. Okay. So here you can see, write down your class and your name, first it out. Today we are going to talk about postcard, right? And then, first of all, I want you to write down as many words related to the topic. So what does the word mean, postcard? Did you remember the word? You can say that inventory. What does that mean? 明信片啊, that's right. So actually you need to write down as many words related to the topic. For example, you might have what? Postcard have, sorry. I can give you one word. When I think about postcard, I might have stamps. Do you know what it means? Stamp. No, right? Stamp means, yeah, stamp. 邮票. Okay. So, any words you can write here, but you need to explain why you think they are related. Okay? I will give you 1 minute to write down as many words as you can. If you don't know what to do, you can let me know. Now it's 10:18, so 1 minute, go. So for example, postcard. You might think about post office. Do you know what is a post office? That's right. So, okay. What else? Good. Yeah. I cannot think of any word related to postcard. You have 10 more seconds. No worry, there's no right or wrong answer, no worry. As long as you can explain why this word related to the topic, postcard. For example, you can write down Taiwan, and then you say why? Oh, because we have a lot of beautiful postcards in Taiwan. Up to you, as long as you can explain. So try to write down some words, use your imagination. Ten more seconds. Now you know you really need to memorize more words, right? Okay. Okay, now what I want you to do is that, everyone, can you count how many words you have right now? If not, then okay, you can write down 0. You just cannot think of any word. Now what we are going to do, okay? For example, when I say Jessie, let's guess Jessie, what she has on her sheet. So if you guess it right, you will get 1 point. Okay? And then we will take turns to see who can guess. So for example, Casper, you guess what word she will write. Get it? No. Poster. How to use? Okay. I will write down the word you say. Casper, why do you think poster is related? Can you explain why? Start with the post. You can explain in Mandarin if you want. That's okay. You can say why you think they are related. Postcard 是明信片，它跟海报有什么关系 ？Poster. Piece of paper. Okay, piece of information. Okay, that kind of makes sense. Jay, what do you think? Make a guess. Post office. Okay, so Jay, you get 1 point for that because I talk about this word, post office. So Jay get 1 point for that. Okay, Angel, what do you have? Guess the word on her sheet. Any word? Sorry? Picture. Do you have that? No. Okay, but that's reasonable. Sometimes you might draw on the postcard. Ellen. Sorry? Casper. How do you spell? 贴纸. Okay. Sticker. Do you have that? No? Okay. No. How about you? Sorry? 风景 scenery. Scenery. Do you have this word? No. Paper. Okay, then Jessie, what words do you have?
Email.
Oh, okay, because you need to mail them. It can be a verb. That makes sense. Keep going. Paragraph. That's a good one. What does this word mean?
Article.
So, for example, one reading might have 3 paragraphs, right? At least. What else?
Taiwan.
That's the word I said. Okay, actually I don't think. Okay. And what else?
Japan, USA, UK.
So she started to write down. So I think a better word for that, Taiwan. We talked about that last year. Taiwan, Japan. So they are country. Yeah. So you will send the postcard to different country or countries. What else?
India.
Okay. So besides country name, what else do you have?
No more.
No more. Casper, what about you? But I will still give you 1 point because you are the one who has a lot of words over there. Casper, what words? What are some of the words that... Message, that's a good one because you might have different message that you want to share with your friends. Anything else? No? Josie? Anything else? Because you, sorry? Sorry? Oh, STEM, okay, yeah, because I talked about STEM earlier. So Angel, do you have anything that I didn't write here? Sorry? Pen. Okay, sure, because we need to use pen to write a postcard. That kind of makes sense. Sorry, card. Okay, so pen and card and then what? So I white out. Jay, anything else? No. So now, I think that since I told you, I will give Jessie, Jay 1 point, and then other words related to the topic from your classmates. Now I want you to write down these words. If there are some words, for example, like some words you didn't think of. So, Axel, you will need to write down all of them on the second column. At least you have 12 now. Once you finish, I want you to choose at least, well, not include this one, because this one actually is like an easy one. So you need to choose at least 3 words. 3 words. You think you learned today and they are new. So you need to write down the spelling and the Chinese meaning, as well as what? A sentence, an English sentence. One more time. I will write here. So what I want you to do today when you go home, first of all, write down what? 3 words. And then you need to write down their spelling, their Chinese meaning, and also you have to come up with an English sentence by yourself. This is the homework. I want you to do it when you go home. So you don't need to turn in after class, okay? Go home. Choose 3 words. Okay? Good. So why we do this? Still? No, that's for your homework. I think you are ready to go. So everyone, after you have some words related to postcard, let's see if now each of you will get 1 envelope, right? I want you to, as a group by yourself, try to put the sentences in the right order. You can do it now. I give you 3 minutes, should be enough. I will use the timer. You can do it. We did this before. Oh yeah, you are familiar with that. So Aksan, do it as a group. Whoever finished the first, raise your hand. You will get points for yourself as well. If you don't know what to do, you can raise your hand. Let's start with 3 minutes. Let's go. No, you cannot cheat. Jessie. No cheating. Once you are ready, raise your hand. one chance. You are ready, right? Think about it. Yeah. Okay. Interesting. Most of you finished? Not yet, you still think about it. Okay. If you finish, you can walk around. I don't say you can open the book, but you can walk around. Upton, stand up to see. If you finish, you can walk around to see if you get the same thing from others. Interesting. Yeah, you can walk around and take a look to see what's the differences. Especially the sentence, how strange. How strange. Some of you put it in the front. Some of you put it at the back. Why? Okay. Where's your... Oh. Okay, let's start from Jessie. Jessie, why do you think how strange is here?
Because the windy is good day and it's changed.
Oh, you think the sentence is strange. Okay, but Angel, you have how strange at the end. Why? Everyone, come here. See? Angel, she has how strange at the end as well as Jay. Why? Come, you two. Why? If you think it's too hard to explain in English, you can say in Mandarin. That's okay.
因为他经历过一两件事情，然后他觉得这两件事情很奇怪，只有一件事情就感觉这是一个特例，可是如果两件事情的话，就会觉得这里怎么那么奇怪。
Interesting. Jay, the same? 哦，他的理由是感叹句都放最后一句。Interesting. Okay, how about you? Okay, you think it like sounds reasonable. Casper, the same thing. Axel, what do you think? How strange. Where do you put it? Okay. So, do you have the same reason? Oh, you too. So, do they convince you? 他们有没有说服你们？没有。Alpha, what do you think?
我的第二最短。
Sorry?
因为这句最短。
这句最短，手放最后面。Okay, everyone, back to your seat. Let's see. What's the right order? What's the right order? Actually, you should know. Do you open the electronic book for me? So everyone, now you can turn to page 11. Page 11. And don't move. Yeah, just take out your English book. Turn to page 11. Yeah, and take a look. And take a look if you get the right order. Page 11. I heard Angel laughed. Okay, Angel, did you get it right? Good job. You all get 3 points for that. Jay, did you get it right? Still checking. Who else? Josie? Well done. Who else? Jay, did you get it? Good. Let's listen together and we will talk about the content, okay? And I think I will also let you watch the video.
Dear Zach, how are you doing? My family and I are in Australia now. People here speak Australian English. One morning, a man said, "Go die" to me on on the street, and I was so mad. But in fact, he meant good day. Another time, I went to a coffee shop. I ordered cookies and hot chocolate because the weather was cold. The clerk said to me, "Vickies and hot chalky, your order is coming right up." How strange! Anyway, see you at school soon. Your friend, Jamie. Zach Hugo, number 30, Yuren Road. Taipei 11249. Taiwan, ROC.
Okay, so today I want you to know why you will get the wrong order. I think Angel just talked about a really interesting issue. After you explain two things, so your conclusion is how strange, right? You give your conclusion. Now I want you to think about it. We talk about how to write an English paragraph. Here, we will talk about how to write an English paragraph, right? So each of you will get one. Let's see how this sentence is. So no, not yet. You can just save the sentence, yeah. Write down your name first. Now you read through the reading, right? And then you know, Jamie, she wrote a postcard to Zach. So everyone, I want you to take a look here first. Take a look here. The structure of an English paragraph. Here, we will have a topic sentence, for sure. Right? And then you have some supporting or explaining ideas. We talk about this as well. And then your concluding sentence. So here you know how strange is the concluding sentence. But can you find the topic sentence? Usually, we talk about that. Where you can find the topic sentence. Casper, did you remember that? Okay, good. First line of each paragraph. What else? Absent. When we talk about the reading, usually the first line can be the topic sentence. Yeah, the last line might be the topic the author wants to talk about. Okay, so now you can see below. I would like you to write down the sentence from the reading on page 11. And I want you to think about it. So what's the topic sentence? What are some supporting ideas to explain the topic sentence? And now can you find the concluding sentence? I think you might need 5 minutes. So I will give you 5 minutes. If you don't know what to do, you can raise your hand. No, of course it's not topic sentence. Oh, so that's a good question. Thanks. Maybe some of you don't know. If you think, okay, the topic sentence is Dear Zach, I don't think so, but pretend you thought, okay, so the topic sentence is Dear Zach, and then you will write topic sentence, yeah. Here is the place for you to write topic sentence. You write down Dear Zach, I think you know this is wrong. And here, the second part, as I mentioned, here's the supporting idea. So, what are some supporting ideas? Okay, you might have 2. I don't know. Up to you.